Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an.
हम कभी कौन कभी चुका दूंगा
हम 50 साल हो गया सर 50 साल हो गया 50 साल हो गया
रुपया तो नहीं रुपया नहीं
और नहीं मिलेगा और कम नहीं मिलेगा
तो भले कदम एसोसिएशन कम दम कर पकड़
kalau cokot kasus sama kan kada sosial
अपनी रिकॉर्ड से लड़ा दे जका जो हम को हम सलाम मनोरा इधर में कौन बैठा
इधर में मेरा बेटी
इधर में बेटी इधर में माई
अलग अलग तो सर अलग अलग
हमारा तो कोई बेटा से भी मतलब नहीं है बेटी से भी मतलब भाई कौन दूसरे का कमरा में बैठेगा सौन
मम वो कौन बात कर रहे थे
सॉरी से का पिछो से नो का तो जोंगा कनेर को जोंगा
Mama nanti
There is no such thing. We have not had a PTVC meeting. We are all PTVC members. We have not agreed on such a fail.
What are you doing? This is
You please give me the notification. Give me the notification in my hand. Give me Aishwarya notification. Minno ishong PTVC. Minno ishong PTVC ban raya kane. No. You give it in writing. You give it in writing that the PTVC has agreed to the system. You give it in writing. Give it to me in writing. We are PTVC members. Bakan, you have to have sakti mati agane. Kaladon PTVC meeting after the 23rd. Kapadon. There has not been a PTVC meeting after the 23rd. So who made this decision?
It is the decision of the Honorable High Court.
The High Court did not. The High Court decided the system.
Notary system is
The High Court has said, you please finalize the list. Has the list been finalized?
yes, given circumstances.
The list has not been finalized.
What is done?
You are in contravention of the High Court order. You are contravening the High Court order.
We'll carry on.
This is no, you know. Kita kinong dia madan kiba wan lam yang ka an yang ka jala. What no ya klet ya kata. Kita kinong dia madan kiba ya thik pa thik kat kung ka an. Maka don kata ka TVC ru kade na ka jing menjur jang kinong dia madan. No, you listen first. Till now, there is a PTVC as per the law because the hawkers have cooperated. It is because of us that a survey could happen on the ground. If it is left to you, similar incompetency and similar way of functioning, non-transparent, autocratic would have happened.
We want to make it transparent.
You are not. You're
No,
not.
you may say.
You're not.
No.
You make it transparent by
Please
ensuring
listen to me also.
that every decision
Please.
as per the
No,
2014
please.
law has to come out of a
Don't
PTVC.
shout.
We have to shout when you don't listen to us in a meeting.
It's okay, carry on. Allow us to
We are only
speak.
left to shouting because all the democratic processes, you have stampeded them.
I'm very sorry. Very sorry. Very sorry to them. Allow us to. Allow us to.
Kampat wan ra.
Take it out. Good, good, good.